recipe to increase hemoglobin levels. Here are the 8 ingredients you'll need: parsley, spinach, raw beetroot, blackberries, carrot, banana, orange juice, soy protein. Before mixing the 8 ingredients, you should start squeezing an orange and hydrate proteins of soya by adding water. How much iron this natural juice contains? First of all, find out the amount of iron contained in each ingredient used in this recipe. Here are the current recommended dietary allowances for iron. Males, 8 mg. Menstruating females, 16 mg. Females when lactating, 9 mg. Females during pregnancy, 25 to 27 mg. What is the best time to drink this juice to make the most of its properties? Iron is best absorbed on an empty stomach. Why does this recipe include orange juice that is not particularly rich in iron? Foods high in vitamin C, such as citrus fruits, increase iron absorption by the body. Vitamin C plays a very important role in the diet of anemic people. Similarly, vitamin A and beta-carotene can enhance iron absorption.